Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to learn 3 different types of kinetic typography techniques in After Effects without plugins. Let's get started. Create a new comp and call it main comp, resolution 1920 by 1080 and frame rate 24, duration 10, and hit OK. Now create a new composition and width and height is 1080 by 1080. Hit OK. Create text and make it the center of the comp. Now right-click Makes Pre-Comp and hit OK. Double-click on it and decrease the size of the pre-comp according to the text. Make a new solid bring underneath the text. Now search CC Reptile Effect and apply it. Go to the Effect Control panel and expand down 10,000, expand up 10,000. Search for the Transform effect and apply it. Now click the position in the transform effect and apply the keyframe on it. Now go to 10 seconds forward and change the Y position. Check the preview. Hold Alt and click the stopwatch icon and write the expression loop out and click outside the timeline. Check the preview. Now search for tint effect, apply it and bring it above all effects. After that apply the CC lens, hit enter and size 208 and convergence is -200. Now hit S for scale and decrease the scale of the pre-comp, check the preview. In the next step we will use the other technique to create the kinetic text and make it pre-comp and name it kinetic text. Now go to composition setting and decrease the width and height according to the text. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Apply the motion tile effect to it. But before going further, for the effect setting, rotate the text 90. Tile width is 100. Tile height 100. Out height is according to your need. Now pre-comp it again. Now apply CC cylinder effects. Radius is 100. Adjust the rotation Z and X rotation a little bit. Click the stopwatch icon and apply the keyframe and go to 10 seconds forward and change the Y rotation. Check the preview. Hit S to decrease the scale. Light intensity 100. Light height 25. Light direction 1. Open shading ambient 50. Diffuse 50. Specular 50. Roughness 0.040. Check the preview. In the third technique, we are going to use different effects to create moving text. Create the text and make it pre-comp, name it message. Now open the pre-comp, go to composition setting and decrease the width and height according to the text. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Now right-click and create a new solid. Now search for the motion tile effect. Change, and animate the tile center X position. After that, go outside the pre-comp and select the message comp and search for the mesh wrap. Select the mesh wrap rows 2, column 5, and quality 10. Now comp to the comp, and select the corner point of the mesh and drag it a little up. Now again select one corner and drag the handle down and get the rounded shape of the text. And the left side, same process should be followed. I am fast forwarding this step, and you do not have to wait. Check the preview. Now duplicate the layer, lower layer, make the Z space a little bit forward and make it 3D. Lower layer and Y rotation 180, X rotation is -180, and adjust the layer according to your need. Right-click and create the null object. Select the layers and parent them with the null object. Hit R for rotation and change the X rotation value a little bit. Adjust the position of the layer and make it better in the preview. Check the preview. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.